Welcome, resilient achievers. Life throws challenges at us, roadblocks that seem impossible to overcome. But what if those obstacles weren't stopping us? What if they were actually guiding us to something greater? That's the philosophy behind The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday, a book that reveals how to turn setbacks into success, and how the hardest moments in life can become our greatest strengths. Let's break it down. The philosophy of Stoicism. This book is rooted in an ancient philosophy called Stoicism, a mindset that helps us face life's challenges with calm, control, and resilience. Instead of complaining about problems, Stoics focus on what they can change and let go of what they can't. Ryan Holiday teaches us that every obstacle we face carries the seed of an opportunity, if we learn to see it that way. Perception. How you see the problem. Obstacles are only as big as we believe they are. Most of the time, our real challenge isn't the situation, it's our reaction to it. A setback can be seen as a failure, or as a lesson. A rejection can be seen as the end, or as a redirection. The question is, how do you choose to see it? Action. Turning problems into power. The key to overcoming obstacles isn't just positive thinking, it's action, not reaction, not hesitation, but decisive action. Holiday gives countless examples. Thomas Edison losing his entire lab in a fire. Instead of breaking down, he rebuilt it stronger. Ulysses S. Grant facing impossible odds in battle. Instead of retreating, he attacked from a different angle. Obstacles force us to adapt, to think differently, to find a better way forward. The question isn't, why is this happening? It's, how can I use this? Well, the power of endurance. Some obstacles can't be changed, they must be endured. That's where willpower comes in. Life will test you, you'll face rejection, loss, and failure. But those who succeed aren't the ones who avoid pain, they're the ones who push through it. This is about mental toughness, the ability to keep moving, even when things seem impossible, because most people quit when things get hard, and that's why most people never reach greatness. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Worrying about things beyond your control, that's a waste of energy. You can't control the economy, but you can control your skills and knowledge. You can't control what people say about you, but you can control your response. By focusing only on what you can change, you take back your power. Failure is just feedback. Every successful person has failed multiple times. What separates them is how they respond. Failure isn't a dead end, it's a sign pointing you toward a better path. Learn from it, adjust your approach, and keep moving. Because resilience is built in the moments when most people give up. Discipline over emotion. Obstacles trigger frustration, anger, doubt. But reacting emotionally only makes things worse. Instead of acting out of emotion, act with strategy. Stay calm, think clearly, make decisions based on logic, not impulse. That's how you turn setbacks into success. The secret weapon. Patience. Some problems don't have instant solutions. Some doors don't open right away, and that's where patience becomes a superpower. The obstacle might be blocking you right now, but over time, if you keep going, you'll find another way through. The key is to stay focused, stay consistent, and never let frustration make you quit too soon. The obstacle becomes the path. The greatest success stories, they're built on obstacles. The roadblocks don't stop greatness, they create it. A struggling entrepreneur learns resilience. A rejected artist refines their craft. A failed athlete builds mental toughness. The struggle isn't separate from success, it's part of it. So instead of avoiding obstacles, embrace them, because the obstacle is the way. Final thoughts. Ryan Holiday's message is clear. The challenges we face aren't barriers, they're stepping stones. Everything difficult in life carries a hidden opportunity, if we choose to see it. So ask yourself, what's one obstacle you're facing right now? And how can you turn it into your next big breakthrough? Like, share and subscribe. If this book summary gave you something to think about, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this mindset shift, and make sure to subscribe to Zach's Bookish World for more powerful book breakdowns.